So guys, the markets have started to bounce off a little bit from around $81,000 all the way to $88,000 within the matter of just the last weekend. Weekend pumps, can you trust them or not? We are going to dive deeper into the chart of Bitcoin, and also I will talk about where the money is going to flow next. There are two different routes where the money could actually end up going. So we are going to discuss that as well. As always guys, if you enjoy the alpha, make sure that you drop a like and also smash that subscribe button. And now guys, let's get right into it.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
So guys, welcome back and thanks for joining me yet again. Right now, Bitcoin is sitting at around $86,000. Are we going to go higher or not? That is the question, right? A lot of people think that this is the bounce that we were waiting for. But if you see it on the hourly time frame or even on the 4-hour time frame, this just looks like another pullback towards the upside before we go down. All right. I did mention about a scenario where we were looking for multiple 1-2s, right? It was something like this. We have our wave 1 here, 2 here, another 1-2, 1-2, then looking for a 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, and then the larger 4, 5 as well. All right. This is what the end of the impulse would look like. Now there is another scenario as well, guys, where you have our wave A here, we have a B here towards the upside, and then this is your wave C towards the downside, where you would want that the price is basically bottomed out already, and now we are looking for an impulse towards the upside and continuation higher. That is still the possibility, right? But we have to be very mindful of the fact that if there is the risk of taking the low one more time and then eventually coming back up and then again taking the low and then eventually coming back up and then again taking the low, because there are still 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5 patterns remaining to finish the impulse, the worst case scenario, the bearish case scenario, then you have to be very mindful of the fact that you're not caught up on the wrong side of the trade. And that is why guys, we have to discuss price action on the smaller time frame in this region. As I mentioned, even in the bearish case, we are looking for a 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So we are looking for this wave 4 top, and then we are looking to take the low one more time in our wave 5. Now guys, if I jump deeper into the chart on the 15-minute time frame, then these are your support and resistance levels at the moment. Now guys, to count our wave 4 towards the upside, we need a 3-wave structure. Can you count a 3-wave structure towards the upside? It's pretty much absolutely on the chart itself. We are looking for an A, B, and C towards the upside. Now your wave C could have actually extended much higher as well, which I was expecting something like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. This was your wave 3, and inside of wave 3 you were looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then you have 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, potentially reaching to like $91,000, but that did not happen. We have already gotten rejected from this resistance, which is your daily naked point of control at $87,553. Now I do feel that there is a high potential that we are looking for a finished structure towards the upside, and now we are looking for another impulse, which is going to look something like this. We have 1, 2, looking for a 3, 4, and 5. All right, this is quite the possibility at the moment, and that is why we have shifted short and we have closed our longs that we actually opened in this region inside 盛𝗓𝗪's private. If you want to take advantage of the Black Friday deal to join 盛𝗓𝗪's private, make sure that you do so today, because I think the slots are going to run out today itself. The link is given in the description section below, and make sure that you check it out. It is currently available at 40% discount on the monthly as well as the yearly subscription. All right. Now guys, of course, we do also have something for the bulls, and in that case, we are looking for a double 1-2 impulse towards the upside, where we have 1, 2, and this is another 1, and this is another 2, potentially coming into this region. Maybe, we come back into this region and retest around $85,000, and then we look for a bigger move up in wave 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. That is what I would be looking out for if we are looking for a bullish impulse from here onwards. But again, we would need some solid signs of reversal, and if that happens, I will be the first one to notify inside 盛𝗓𝗪's private as well. Right now, I am short from this resistance at around $87,500. We have already closed 40% of our position at the first take profit target, which was at $86,100, and now the stop loss is basically shifted to entry. So now we cannot lose. If it goes down, we are going to ride the wave. If it comes back up, we are going to reassess and see if there is going to be another short or a long opportunity, and I will keep you posted as well. All right. Apart from that, guys, I just wanted to let you know that the hybrid whales day trading indicator is now also live on TradingView, so you can use it if you are a 盛𝗓𝗪's private member. This is an invite only script. It is absolutely free of cost, with all of the updates in the future included for lifetime for all of the 盛𝗓𝗪's private members. So if you are inside 盛𝗓𝗪's private, you can request access to get this indicator as well. This is the best day trading indicator that I have personally used, and this is the one that I have personally made myself. All right. So if you want, there are details on how to get access to this inside 盛𝗓𝗪's private itself. Now guys, let's talk about a few things. Right now, the liquidity is very thin. I see a lot of meme coins on Solana sitting at $100,000, $200,000, $300,000 market cap, but doing less than $10,000 of volume in the last 24 hours. This is something that I've not seen in the last 2 years. All right. So there is definitely a liquidity crunch in the meme coin market, but there are two different places where I still see that the money could still flow. And one of those places is basically already getting the most inflows. So let's just discuss both of them. First off, guys, let's discuss the anticipatory launch of 𝗦𝗓𝗪. So right here, you can see that 𝗦𝗓𝗪 is launching in the next 3-4 hours, I guess, from the time of me recording this episode. And by the time this goes live, I think it will be live as well. You can buy this on Bluefin. You can also trade meme coins on 𝗦𝗓𝗪, which I do feel could be a big thing as well. And I've already discussed everything in detail about the 𝗦𝗓𝗪 ecosystem inside Karoshi's private, including how to bridge, including how to trade. You can, by the way, trade all of these meme coins on 𝗦𝗓𝗪 on GMGN itself. The link is given in the description section below to join GMGN, the best trading platform out there for meme coins. And if you want, you can use that link as well. Apart from that, guys, there are a few meme coins already on 𝗦𝗓𝗪, which I am eyeing at the moment. When 𝗦𝗓𝗪 launches, and you can actually swap from USDC into the 𝗦𝗓𝗪 token and also send some 𝗦𝗓𝗪 on your decentralized wallets for the gas fees, because right now it's not easy to trade on 𝗦𝗓𝗪, and only a handful of people who have the 𝗦𝗓𝗪 gas fees can actually do so. So for the people inside Karoshi's private, I've already given a detailed guide on how to buy, where to buy, which meme coins to look out for. And that is what you get by being in a private community like Karoshi's private, where everybody is hustling every single day, no matter what the market conditions are, because we want to catch the next big narrative. That is the entire objective of Karoshi's private, in my opinion, and that is why I've shared everything out there. Apart from that, guys, right here you can see that Dex Screener is also supporting 𝗦𝗓𝗪 launch. So right here you can see on Dex Screener, you can just click on 𝗦𝗓𝗪 and you will see all of these tokens that are currently active on 𝗦𝗓𝗪. But I think the actual volume and volatility is going to come when the launch happens, which is going to happen 30 minutes after the US Open today itself. That is 24th of November. All right. So we do have some really good coins right here. We have 𝗕𝗦𝗪, we have 𝗕𝗪𝗠𝗠𝗘𝗥𝗦, we have 𝗕𝗓𝗠, we have 𝗕𝗠𝗪𝗠, we have many more as well. But you have to do a little bit research around all of these plays, whichever you want to ape. In the past, you have seen that even though there was no hype around plasma, we got the Trillions meme coin going way past $50 million. On BNB, we got so many meme coins going past $500 million. And everybody knows that there were meme coins, or there was a time when, meme coins actually ended up going $1 billion in market cap that were launched on PalmFun or on Radium, or basically, on Solana. All right. So I do feel that even though right now there is definitely a liquidity crunch in the market, there can be a mini meme coin season on 𝗦𝗓𝗪. And that is why we also got long on the 𝗲 token on Bluefin, which was also shared inside Karoshi's private. All right. Apart from that, guys, apart from this particular route that money can actually choose to go to this week, there is also something that is already brewing massively. And that is something that I really refused to acknowledge in the first place when I saw this, in the beginning. But right now there are some signs, and mostly the reason why I am going to talk about this particular thing is because of the smart money inflows that I do track on Nansen, and all of those tracking results are also sent inside Karoshi's private. Anyway, so the token that I want to talk about is going to be Troll. Now, this is a meme coin that was, you can say that this is the crime season meme coin for PalmFun. I mentioned this, by the way, inside Karoshi's private in this region, guys, before the big pump actually happened on Troll. I mentioned it multiple times at like 12 million, $16 million market cap. I think I've mentioned 4 to 5 different times. Even on YouTube, guys, I was mentioning Troll before this explosive leg all the way to $284 million. This is the time, again, in my opinion, that Troll is going to bounce off in this region between $25 and $33 million. This has to be the bottom for Troll. And eventually, I'm looking for a short-term price target at $175 million, which is going to be a nice move. Because if you see from here all the way to the 382 Fibonacci, it is a nice 5.4x move, which I can play on size as well. All right. Now, again, guys, nothing that I'm sharing in this episode is going to be financial advice. So please take caution and make sure that you are only investing what you can afford to lose, because meme coins are meme coins are meme coins at the end of the day. And you cannot put all of your life savings, or basically full port, into a single meme coin thinking that you are going to get rich quick and maybe by tomorrow. No, that's not going to happen. And that is why it is important to manage your risk. Now, Troll, why am I talking about Troll suddenly? Basically, guys, there are a few meme coins that are getting a lot of traction, primarily because of Troll itself. So the first one that I want to talk about in this episode is going to be definitely Bojack. This is sitting at $16.1 million market cap. As you can see, almost retesting new all-time highs right around here. I believe that there is a support zone, which is going to be between $14 million market cap all the way to like $10 million market cap. This is a good region to bid if you believe in this particular thing. But the thing is, guys, there have been so many revamps of the Wojak token itself, which is why I am forced to think, why are these meme coins running suddenly right now? The reason behind this, which I have formed in my mind, is because maybe, guys, these kind of meme coins, which are really very common among the masses, these are the meme coins that can actually onboard new retail, because right now retail is gone. So if meme coins that actually make sense to the normal public are going up like this, that is when, new retail can actually come in. So basically, this entire thing is something that is being set up by the people behind Pump Fund, maybe, or maybe, some other kind of cabal who wants the meme coin sector to still flourish and come back up, or maybe they just want to max extract. I don't know, but that is something that I can think on the top of my head. All right. So if that happens, there are going to be new people entering the market buying these coins. Troll, Wojak, 67 coin as well, right? So this is why I'm paying attention to this one. I'm not in, by the way, on Wojak, but I really do feel that Troll is sitting at a very good entry point at the moment. So I've already bought a bag at $38 million market cap, basically the exact market cap that it is currently trading at. All right. Apart from that, guys, there is another token that I do like, and that is Pump Fund 𝗕𝗘𝗪. Now this is PFP. Now when it launched, I was thinking that why do we need another 𝗕𝗘𝗪? Why? Basically, guys, the thing is, Pump Fund wants to be the face of the meme coin mania. And they want all of the top meme coins to be on Pump Fund itself. And that is why, if you also see this tweet right here by Pump Fund itself, which was for the new month, which is November, new banner, you can see 𝗕𝗘𝗪 right here. How come we have Pump Fund 𝗕𝗘𝗪 right here? Because if you compare it with the rest of the meme coins that are over there, they are very well established. All right. You have Troll, of course. You have TBC, which is Trencher Broadcasting Company, which I really do like, but I don't know why the price is not reflecting as such. Then we have PropW, the spirit of gambling. Then we have Trencher right here. And then we also have 𝗕𝗓𝗪𝗠𝗘𝗧𝗧, which I also do like. And I'm paying attention to this one as well, because this is pretty beaten down at the moment. And I do feel there could be a comeback. All right. Because when things go all the way down and they hit rock bottom, the only place to go is up. All right. And the people who position when, everybody is so freaking fearful, those are the people who actually end up making money. All right. So I'm not betting on each of these out there, but I am thinking, all right, that is something that I want to make sure that you understand. All right. I've gotten into Troll and nothing else so far. I've also gotten into PFP, by the way, right here, $1.7 million market cap. I saw some smart money entering into this one as well in the last few days. And if I have to tell you, this is the #1 meme coin on Solana with the most smart money inflows, according to Nansen, in the last 14 days. So there is definitely something or the other cooking behind Pump Fund 𝗕𝗘𝗪, the PFP meme coin. And it is sitting at like $1.7 million market cap. So it is exactly in my accumulation zone, the 886 and the 786 Fibonacci levels. All right. Then if I come back here, we also have 𝗕𝗓𝗪, right? And I've been very bullish on 𝗕𝗓𝗪 being the mascot of Pump Fund, but the chart has not been able to reflect it. So I'm keeping tabs on this one as well. If price is going to come back right here, $530,000 market cap, I think there could be a massive bounce and bottom formation as well. Because if you check out the profile of Pump Fund on X, then you can see, let's just go on to media and just see how many times they are posting 𝗕𝗓𝗪 and other memes. Let's just compare. 𝗕𝗓𝗪 right here. You can say this is also 𝗕𝗓𝗪 right here. You can say this is also, clearly 𝗕𝗓𝗪. And then if I go lower, again, 𝗕𝗓𝗪 again. So 𝗕𝗓𝗪 has been there multiple times on the Pump Fund profile itself. So there is something going on. I don't know. Maybe this is the max extraction event that these guys are doing. So I cannot vouch for them or the Pump Fund team. But this is what I am seeing right now. And this is what I want to just let you know about as well. Maybe something is brewing around these meme coins. All right. Then we also have this one right here, which is the bullish degen. And I do like this one as well. If I have to show you the chart, then you can see bullish degen is sitting at $26.5 million market cap. And it has been up only in a very bad market condition. So where is all of this money coming from? Volume of $822,000 in the last 24 hours. And this has been active since 2nd of October. Something really happened on 2nd of October because bullish degen actually launched on 2nd of October. And if you see PFP as well, this launched on 2nd of October. What is this? There is definitely something interesting. If you check out Wojak launched on 3rd of November. So this is pretty new, but maybe in the next Pump Fund banner, you could see Wojak coming in as well. All right. So that is why I am paying attention to these new coins, because there is definitely something going on as these coins continue to get insane volume every single day. Because right now, for most memes, the major problem that I've seen is basically they don't have volume at all. Really good meme coins are also sitting at like $10,000 volume per day. That is nothing, guys. That is nothing. Nobody is trading meme coins, right? That is what it means. But these meme coins, they are being traded. So something is definitely going on, and these meme coins are also probably getting a lot of pump fund creator fees because they are launched on PumpSwap. So these guys can actually market themselves as good as they want. If you also check out the profile of Pump Fund Pepe, this is PFP, then you can see these guys have been killing it with the content. It's not just another lab where, price goes up and then price comes back down and then the team basically vanishes. I think this is going to be a massive cook in my opinion. So that is why I've gotten a bag of PFP as well. Again, guys, nothing is financial advice. So please be cautious, because as I mentioned about the Bitcoin chart, I'm still expecting a little bit further downside is quite the possibility here. And I don't think that it is going to be wise to talk about a quick reversal at the moment. I'm not suddenly bearish, guys. I'm just being very cautious and careful before I jump into a lot of things. And I don't want more stress in life at the moment because of the price action of Bitcoin. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I will be doing another video on Bitcoin, gold, SPX 500, as well as dollar dominance and all of these things. I think there is something that a lot of people are missing out on. The video is going to go live inside Karoshi's private first to give them the perspective. I've already shared my entire plan on how I plan to trade this bear market or bull market, whatever it is. I don't care if it is a bear market or a bull market. What I care about is price action, and that is what I'm going to focus on. We want to make profits. If we can rack in daily profits, that is more than enough for me, no matter which direction the market is overall going. All right. Now, apart from that, let's just quickly discuss another coin that was recently revamped, and that is Smoking Chicken Fish. This is SCF. Now, this is sitting at $640,000 market cap. This is a new launch, by the way. Again, this is a new launch. This was launched on 16th of November. And again, it has pumped. So what is going on? Are these older meme coins being revamped on Pump Fund and being run up again? There is something definitely wrong or very right. I don't know what it is, but I am paying attention to these new runners, which are basically launched on Pump Fund. So what I also feel is maybe the thing is a lot of people who launched meme coins last year or before that, they launched on Radium, right? So there is no incentive for the creator to actually focus on the project because they are not getting paid anything in creator rewards. While on Pump Fund, you are getting these creator rewards. So maybe these coins are coming from the same developers or from the same teams, to say the least, because most of them have been CTO'd, right? So definitely there is this another explanation as well. If you are willing to enter this one, by the way, I'm not in. And if I enter, I will let people know inside Karoshi's private. If you want an entry on this one, guys, I think this region is going to be a good one at $355,000 market cap. All right. Apart from that, guys, there are other places as well, which I keep on entering and exiting inside Karoshi's private. For that, you have to be inside Karoshi's private itself. And then if I talk about other few meme coins as well that I'm currently watching, we have this one. This is You'll Own Nothing and Be Happy. And this is sitting at $2 million market cap. Then we have SPSC, which I really do like, but I'm looking for a lower entry point on this one. So I still have a bag, but I've sold 70%. And I'm looking for this entry or maybe coming back into this region at $1 million. I think this is eventually going to cook one more time. This has been a very solid run towards the upside. As you can see, it is not a big move up and then, just consolidation and then coming back down. It has been a sustained move towards the upside. And that is what I like to see on meme coin projects like this one. So I'm very bullish on SPSC long term. There is a potential here, which I see, but again, guys, nobody knows anything about this market, so I cannot recommend you to do anything. But this is the current scenario that I see for the markets going forward. And apart from that, guys, of course, the play that I gave you a few days ago, which was one coin, which is being held by World Liberty Finance publicly, you can see we have bounced off very nicely, $16 million in terms of market cap at the moment. This is the kind of play where you can actually play with size. And I mentioned 3 times at the bottom at around $8 to $10 million market cap. So again, guys, if you're following this channel, I really feel that you are making something or the other. And if you're not, guys, please manage your risk and practice portfolio diversification, because that is how you eventually end up winning. All right. Apart from that, guys, that is everything basically. But I want to let you know about one very important factor, and that is if you have lost everything with future trading, or if you have gotten liquidated on your accounts because of this flash crash, I would say, in the crypto markets, which nobody was expecting, guys, it is time to take advantage of the actual leverage in the market, actual options in the market, which I believe the best place to do so is going to be on PropW. Right now, they are running a massive offer, as you can see right around here, PropW Black Friday mega deal, only once this year. And I can vouch for this fact that this offer is not going to come again, because this is insane, guys. If you buy just 2 accounts, you're getting 5 accounts. So you're getting 5 for the price of 2, and also you're getting 100% of profit payout. So I will definitely drop a link to this tweet as well, and you have to use this particular link on this tweet to get your extra accounts as part of the offer, and also the 100% profit payout option. And so the link will be given in the description section below. I will also put up another link where I have given a detailed explanation of how PropW works, how you can take up orders, how you can buy accounts, and all of that stuff. I have myself gotten an account of $100,000 on PropW, as you can see right here. This was started on 21st of November. As you can see, all of the proof is right there. So I'm doing it with you as well. And of course, guys, it will depend on what type of account you get. You can get the pro account, you can get the standard account. So if you get the pro account, you just have to pass first challenge with 10% profits on the entire account. And then you have to just do a 0.1% profit for the second phase, which is crazy, guys. But then again, it limits you, and you have to pass the first phase in just 30 days, which I do feel that it is more than enough in my opinion. All right. If I have to show you guys, then this is my live account that I got on 21st of November. This is the Bitcoin short that is currently open. It is in profit of $160 at the moment, because I've already taken some profits. Apart from that, if I go on to the dashboard and I show you right here, you can see I've already completed 12% of my profit target, which is $1,265. It is all about slow and steady wins the race. So if you want, you can jump in as well, and you will get all of these trades that I am personally taking on PropW inside 𝗕𝗪𝗠𝗧𝗧 private itself. All right. So if that is something that suits you, make sure that you sign up to PropW and also 𝗕𝗪𝗠𝗧𝗧 private. That is basically everything, guys, from this particular episode. All of the required links are given in the description section below, and I will see you in the next one. Make sure that you are still logged in, because the people who stay logged in, even if it is a bear market or a bull market, these are the people who eventually end up winning. If you enjoyed this video, guys, then make sure that you drop a like, and also smash that subscribe button and ring the bell notification icon so that you can be notified whenever I put up another update. That's all, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep hustling.
Never slow up, no, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.